Something.
Okay.
Something.
No, we really appreciate Greg and Sarah for inviting us here tonight, and we also brought cake. Not that this is a Pen's birthday celebration, but we just would like to take this opportunity to greet Pen also on her 27th birthday, right?
27?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The date of my birthday.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Happy
birthday to you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May langgam na.
Okay,
Go, go.